Because of the water restrictions and the water conservation efforts that are in place right now, this will be the last waterfront community built in Las Vegas. What they've done really, really well is they created a resort as a master plan community. And what I mean by that is everything that you would want in a resort: shopping, restaurants, golf courses, sporting clubs, pickleball, it has tennis, it has yoga classes, it has a full gym, it has one of the best golf practice facilities in the entire state. It's a great place for community. When you combine that with Shoreline and all the things that Shoreline has to offer, you really have a resort lifestyle. One of the things that's really important today as far as amenities in communities is accentuating wellness. So one of the things that we first set out to do when we were creating the community was to put in the walking trails. Then we knew that within the walking trails we wanted to have fitness centers. So as you go through the community, there's certain fitness center stops as you go. You have a beach entry. The beach entry is really set up for people with paddle boards, kayaks. They can take it directly down, load into the water, and be utilizing the lake for the entire day. The other aspect that's really great about it is that they can walk down to the village. So we have fire pits. We have stop areas where you can enjoy the lake. And so it's nice. We'll see our homeowners walk down to the fire pit with their wine. They can have a nice wine glass while they're watching the sunset on the lake. So really what you get here is walkability along with a complete amenity package. So it's really a situation where once you're here, you don't have to leave here. When you combine that with the ability to get to an international airport within 30 minutes or the Strip within 30 minutes, you really have the best of both worlds. So it's truly a resort, convenient to all the things that Las Vegas has to offer as well.